Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to download Telegram private group video. So let's get started. First, let's go to the App Store and update the Telegram app if needed. Type Telegram in the search bar. And if there is update icon available next to the app, then please update your app or else open it. And join the group where the videos is posted to download. Scroll through the chat tree until you find the video you want to download and tap on the video to open it into the full screen mode. Then tap on the three dots available in the top right corner and tap on save the video. Once you have selected the option to save the video, wait for the download to complete. And once the download is complete, you can access the video in your device's gallery or downloads folder. And that is it. By this process, you can easily download the sharing videos from Telegram or any other platforms. Thank you for watching our video and like and subscribe to our channel if it was useful.